Worried about choosing the right managed services provider for your organization? The wrong choice can be costly in terms of budget, service levels, and system security. Wouldn't it be nice to find a provider who can make all these issues just disappear? A trusted partner whose focus includes understanding your business operations and recommending improvements. One who responds quickly to your concerns with experienced, certified experts available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, no matter where you are located. Who offers a wide variety of customizable service plans targeted to meet any business and budgetary requirement. And who can use augmented intelligence to remotely monitor your systems and applications faster and better than the most robust of on-site staffs. With GSI Managed Services, you can offload any or all of your IT concerns to us and spend more time focused on growing your business. A typical vendor may push quotas, prioritize their own profits, and may even rush through their tasks. A partnership with GSI means we are with you for the long haul, helping to reduce costs and increase your margins, the ultimate win-win situation. We start by helping you choose your level of support from one of our customizable service plans. G-Share is designated for companies that want proactive or ad hoc system support, plus a designated bucket of hours, all under a single contract. G-Staff is for companies that only require proactive system support for a fixed monthly fee, where G-Flex is for companies who need just a designated block of hours for ad hoc service requests. Need even more flexibility? Everything as a Service provides flexible, scalable, on-demand subscription services at an affordable price. Simply select a base service level that meets your business needs, then receive discounts in the form of an allotted number of credits. These credits can be used to procure products or services from our ever-expanding catalog. Requirements change? You can swap your choices without penalty once every quarter. But what makes GSI stand out from the crowd is our proprietary augmented intelligence solution, Genius AI. Genius AI is a service platform for providing round-the-clock health monitoring. Modules can be custom-built for almost any business application, and common admin tasks can be automated. Contact us for a full demonstration. So why choose GSI? We are your partner focused on your bottom line, not ours, and we respond quickly to issues, offer the most flexible plans with always available Right Shore support. We also offer our Genius AI service platform, have industry and system certified experienced staff, and back it all up with a 100% signature guarantee. You can reach us by calling 855-GSI-4ERP, emailing us info@getgsi.com, or opening an online chat at www.getgsi.com.